There are a lot of wound care programs and businesses that partner with nursing facilities. They claim to heal wounds quickly and save facilities nursing hours and money. What is the biggest thing that sets you apart from them?
Yeah, that's a good question, Liz. So I think sets us apart is that we produce outcomes that speak. What it means is uh, we can have you go to any facilities we cover and ask nurses to give you examples of wound healing. Okay, so everyone produces nice spreadsheet numbers, but is this actually relatable to a particular patient, particular family situation? And we have started having a lot of so-called case reports, case studies that we use for both medical purposes and for good communication to referring hospitals and patient families as well.